Wait, look at this. There is a dinosaur in here and a duck. Why is there a duck? I cannot stop doing this. This is genuinely the most satisfying thing I own right now. That's it. That's the review. Okay, I'm getting ready and I don't know if this is crazy or... Hey, no, get out. Anyway, I kind of love it. The stand crawler jacket just works.
Everything you just saw was completely generated using AI. Yes, none of it was real, but it looked insanely realistic, right? So here's what happened. Higgsfield AI recently launched a brand new tool called Marketing Studio, and with this, you can create some absolutely insane content in minutes. If you're into business, e-commerce, running a Shopify store, SaaS, or even just trying to create viral content online, this tool can help you generate eye-catching AI videos that instantly hook viewers. And in today's world, everyone is fighting for attention. The better your hook, the better your chances of going viral. Now, with the power of AI, you can create high-converting UGC style ads, cinematic product promos, and scroll-stopping marketing videos without needing expensive shoots or a production team. The best part? It's extremely easy to use and it makes the entire content creation process so much faster. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it to create amazing hooks, ads, and marketing videos for your business, Shopify store, SaaS product, or basically anything you want. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. Now to get started, click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. From here, click on the Marketing Studio option and it'll take you to this page. Now this is where all the magic happens. If you scroll down, you can see videos generated by other users. You can go through them for inspiration if you want. And honestly, these look absolutely insane, especially how realistic they are. I'm telling you guys, even I was surprised when I first saw the quality. I mean, look at this. This literally looks like a real TikTok reel or some viral Instagram ad. And the best part is, if you like any style, you can even recreate something similar with just a few clicks. But for now, let's create something completely from scratch. So this right here is the control panel. First, from here, you can select what type of video you want to create. As you can see, there are tons of options available. UGC ads, tutorials, unboxing videos, product showcases, and much more. For this example, let's go with UGC Virtual Try-On, since that format is super viral right now. Next, from here, you can choose the style of the video. You can create viral hooks, spicy interview style clips, reaction videos, storytelling content, basically whatever fits your idea. I'll go with this one. Now, inside the settings section, you can choose the location for your video. And as you can see, there are a lot of viral style locations available. Honestly, the more bizarre or attention-grabbing the location is, the higher the chances of the video going viral. So let's pick this one. After that, you can select the aspect ratio, video quality, and duration. I'll keep the duration at 15 seconds. Now moving to the avatar section, if you click here, you'll find a bunch of pre-made AI avatars that you can directly use for your videos. You can simply choose one from here, or you can even upload your own image and create a custom avatar, but let's create one from scratch. So I'll click on create, and from here, you can either upload a character image or generate one completely using AI. Let's generate one. I'll enter this prompt and hit generate. And here we go. As you can see, it has generated 4 different images, and honestly, they look ultra realistic. Wow, this is actually insane. So let's pick one. I think this one looks perfect, so I'll select it and click on save avatar. And there we go. Now the avatar appears here and is ready to use. Next comes the product section. If you click here, you can upload your own product image just like I already did here, or if you want, you can also use the create manually option to add product yourself. But here's the coolest part. You can simply paste your product link and the AI will automatically grab the product details, understand the product, and generate everything for you. That honestly makes the workflow so much easier. For this example, I'll just go with the uploaded product image. And that's it. Everything is now fully set up. The best part is, you don't even need to worry about writing complicated prompts or scripts. The AI automatically handles most of the heavy lifting and generates the video for you. So now, let's hit generate and see what it creates.
Okay, I'm getting ready, and I don't know if this outfit is crazy or... Hey, no, get out! Anyway, I kind of love it. It's a little chaotic, but it works. I'm wearing this.
Oh my god, guys. Did you just see that? I mean, that honestly looked way too real. Her voice, her expressions, the way she was talking about everything felt like an actual influencer video you'd normally see on TikTok or Instagram Reels. And that interruption in the middle, that was honestly the cherry on top. This is actually crazy. Just imagine the kind of content you can create with this. You can literally build your own AI influencer, create insanely realistic marketing videos, promote products, and post them across platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Then you can add affiliate product links in the description, and whenever someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. That's genuinely how a lot of people are making money online right now. And with tools like this becoming so accessible, creating high-quality viral marketing content is becoming easier than ever before. All right, let's try one more example. This time, from the settings, I'm going with the normal UGC option. For the hook section, I'll leave it empty. Now for the location, let's do something absolutely crazy. Let's put her on an airplane wing. And for the product image, I've uploaded an image of the iPhone 17, as you can see right here. For the avatar, I'm using one of the pre-made avatars available inside the platform. Now, coming to the prompt, I'm literally using a super simple one-line prompt, nothing complicated at all. Because the best part about this is that it automatically enhances your prompt, understands the context, and packs everything together to generate the best possible result. So you really don't need to overthink the prompting part. Now, after that, simply click on generate. And honestly, it doesn't even take that long to create the final result. And here it is.
Okay, I just need to quickly review the iPhone 17. 2 weeks in, the camera locks focus in literally any condition. I have not caught it slipping once. And this green color is genuinely not okay. I think about it too much.
Wow. Just look at this. This actually looks insanely real. I'm genuinely amazed by how realistic this is. She's holding the phone naturally, talking about the product like a real creator, and the overall vibe genuinely feels like an actual viral TikTok or Instagram reel. Now, in this example, I gave it a very vague prompt, so it created a more general style product review. But if you want the character to say something specific, like features, pricing, camera details, comparisons, or a call to action, you can simply mention all of that inside your prompt. You can go as detailed as you want. And honestly, the result is phenomenal. Here's another example. Wow. This is seriously impressive. Now, just imagine the kind of content you can create using this. If you're a business owner, this is probably one of the easiest ways to create realistic, engaging ads and short-form videos for your products. And if you're a content creator looking to make extra income online, you can create these kinds of videos, upload them to social media, attach affiliate links, and earn commissions whenever someone purchases through your links. It genuinely doesn't get much easier than this. So make sure you guys check out Higgsfield AI. The link is in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.